To bring anything into your life, imagine that it's already here. Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Ramirez, and I'm so excited for you to be here with us today because every single video we strive to help you become your absolute best version. And so this video is not going to be an exception. We are going to talk about visualization and how visualization is key for you to attract anything that you want into your life. Yes, I said that. Anything that you want into your life. We are going to do this in 4 different points. So let's get started. Visualization. The first thing is for you to know exactly what it is that you want. You cannot think about, you cannot picture, you cannot visualize something that you don't even know exists in your heart and in your soul and in your mind. So with that being said, I already have a video on that. If you guys want to go back and watch it, I will leave the link in the description down below. And it's a video for you to write 101 things that you want to have, be, achieve, anything like this. And so for you to get started, you need to know what it is that you want, right? And then once you have that list, then we can begin the visualizing process. Number 2 is very important. You have to change your environment. And you're probably thinking, but Claudia, the whole reason why I am living in this reality is because my environment is this reality and I don't have what I want. I don't have what I desire. I don't have what I'm visualizing. And that is why I'm visualizing it. But I have a few secrets for you. I'm going to give you an example of something that I did when I was back in college. I was driving a Nissan Sentra. It was like an '08 or something like that. And it was like 2016 or something. And I really wanted a Mercedes Benz. I wanted a Mercedes Benz so badly. I don't know why I wanted this car in particular, but I wanted it. I knew I wanted it to be black. I wanted it to be leather interior. I wanted the whole 9 yards when it came to this car. So what I went ahead and did is I went to my library and I printed out a Mercedes-Benz logo and I made sure that it was like the right size. I printed several of them and I literally glued that on top of my Nissan logo on my steering wheel. And so every single day I was visualizing myself in a Mercedes-Benz, in my black Mercedes-Benz. And in reality, it was just an old Sentra. And it was funny because I have absolutely no shame and I would put things out into the universe and I would take pictures. You know how girls take pictures with their nails on the steering wheel and stuff? Well, I would do that with my Mercedes-Benz paper logo. And people would be like, oh wow, you got a Mercedes-Benz, that's so cool. And I would just be like, yeah, it's totally coming. So I visualized that. And later on, a year later, I was driving a Mercedes-Benz. And that's a whole different story of how I got it. I visualized it into my life and it was very powerful. That's one of my biggest stories. You can just glue things here and there and you can make things work. So what is it that you need to change? Maybe you need to get things out of your life so that you can visualize where the new things are going to go. Maybe you need to just make arrangements to make room for what life is going to bring to you. So start visualizing things. If you have to make modifications on the old stuff to make it look new and make it resemble what you want it to be. If you want this smart TV and you have an old TV, then just take something on there that says smart TV or something. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not saying for you to go out there and make this happen right now. Just make modifications that are going to help and that are going to tell your mind like, oh, it's happening, I see it, and that's kind of what it's going to look like. So it's pretty amazing. Number 3, you have to see it as if it's already happening. You have to literally think of it in the present tense. Like, it's not happening next year, it's not happening tomorrow, it's not happening it's happening right now. Right this second, you are living it, you are breathing it. Focus all your energy on your 5 senses. So whatever it is that you want, what does it smell like? What does it taste like? What does it feel like? What are you hearing? What are you seeing? Visualize it all. Whenever I say visualization, I don't just mean with your eyes. Just visualize the entire situation, the entire experience. What is it going to be like? I do this all the time. I have this dream that I'm going to be a world-renowned speaker, and I'm going to speak in front of thousands and thousands of people. And I always envision myself with my pink power suit, stepping on the stage, hearing the crowd just cheering on, and just smelling cologne of all the men around me, and just see this, okay? I see the shining, like the bright lights and the thing that's going to be behind me of what I'm going to present. I see this. I believe it, okay? I visualize it, and it's going to happen. Otherwise, I will stop being myself, okay? Like, it's going to happen because I visualize it, and it's so deep in my heart that there is absolutely no doubt that it's going to be a reality. That takes me to my fourth point. Make sure that your visualization is so strong. I mean, so strong that it doesn't matter what your reality is. It doesn't matter that you want a mansion, but right now you're living in an apartment. It doesn't matter that you have a dream of traveling the world, and right now you can't even pay a plane ticket during a pandemic to like California. It doesn't matter. What matters is that your dream and your visualization is so big and so strong, so solid, that nothing is ever going to change it. The doubters, the haters, the people who are just talking, yeah, there's going to be all of that. Don't let it get to your head. You have to be so planted. You have to be so grounded and know that it's going to happen. And do this for every single one of your goals. If you have 101 goals, if you have 500 goals, make sure that each and every single one of them feels so real and feels so solid in your mind, and that you know that there's no other way that it's going to work out but that this that you want, or maybe even something better, because that's what the universe has planned for you. If you want it, if it's in your heart and in your soul, it's for a reason. It's because you have been equipped to achieve it, and you're going to be prepared day in and day out through the opportunities that life sends you. So your job right now is to get those goals written down and to start visualizing them, and to, of course, later take action and make these happen. Visualization is key. It has changed my life and the life of millions of people, and it will continue to do so. And I am so excited to know what it's going to do in your life. So with that being said, I want you to comment down below one thing that you visualize, and I want you to tell me everything about it. Make it a vivid image. You don't have to be a perfect writer. I just want to know, what is it that you smell, that you feel? When is this going to happen? What is this about? And I want all of us to cheer each other on, comment on each other's posts, and see what others are experiencing and seeing in their mind. It's something so powerful. I want to create a platform where we encourage and support each other, where we help each other be our best version. So don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, click the bell button, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.